Hello friends and a very Merry Christmas to you all. The holiday season is incomplete without a slice of colorful fruit cake. Usually people soak fruits for months to make this, but today I am sharing my instant Tutti Frutti fruit cake. So let's make the recipe. In a bowl, add 3 tablespoons of chopped nuts, 2 tablespoons of raisin, 3 tablespoons of colorful Tutti Frutti, and 3 tablespoons of sweet Murabba, which is candied fruit. Add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour to these fruits. Mix it well so every piece is coated with the dry flour. Friends, from which country you are watching my recipe, you can tell me in the comment section below. Now let's make the batter. Since this is an eggless cake, our base will be yogurt. In a large mixing bowl, take half cup of yogurt, add 1/3 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of oil. To give it that classic bakery aroma, add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix well with a whisk until the sugar dissolves completely and the mixture looks creamy. Now place a sieve over the bowl. Add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Sieve these dry ingredients into the wheat mix. Now start mixing gently. The batter will be quite thick, so pour 1/4 cup of milk. Mix until you have a smooth consistency. Finally, hold in those flour-coated dry fruits we prepared earlier. Look how colorful that batter looks. Now take a cake mold and brush some oil. Pour the batter into the mold and tap it twice to remove air bubbles. Now I have preheated a heavy bottomed pan for 5 minutes on medium heat. Carefully place the cake mold inside the batter. Cover the pan with a lid. Place a wire stand inside the pan. Now carefully place the cake mold. Now cover the pan with a lid. Keep the flame on low-medium for 35 to 40 minutes. Take the mold out carefully and let it cool down completely. Do not rush this step. Fruit cakes are dense and need to cool to set properly before slicing. Once cool, unmold it and slice it up. Look at that texture. It is perfectly soft, and look, the Tutti Frutti and nuts are spread everywhere, not just at the bottom. This makes for a perfect Christmas gift or a tea time treat for your family. I hope you try this recipe this holiday season. Wishing you and your family a season full of love and delicious food. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Merry Christmas, and I will see you in the next video.